Hello, welcome back. Today I'm sharing how to create a quick figure 8 updo, perfect for weddings, proms, or for every day. You're going to love it. Now for a sleek, soft finish, I love to use a mix of gel and hair oil. I apply this all throughout the crown and then smooth into a low ponytail with a soft bristle brush. This is actually a beard brush and it works great. Now, secure into a tight, low ponytail, I like to use a DIY hair bungee for an extra tight hold. Then apply more gel oil mix to the entire length of your ponytail for a polished look. Now, for the bun, tightly twist your ponytail clockwise, then wrap clockwise using your right hand to anchor the base to make a bun shape. And then continue to tightly twist your ponytail. Now, pinch your twist above your elastic and wrap your twist around your index finger, creating a loop. Now, push that loop against your head to create the 8 shape with your ends coming down and out the right side. Hold your 8 tightly against your head and loosely secure, just enough to hold it in place while we finish our ends. For your ends, tightly twist clockwise and wrap underneath your ponytail, tucking them under your bun to hide, or for something unique, you can leave them out. Now finish securing your bun to your head with bobby pins. I'll link my favorites below, and finish your ends with a light mist of hairspray, locking them into place by straightening them. And for finishing touches, I apply more hair oil throughout the bun to smooth frizz, a light mist of glimmer spray, and a light mist of hairspray for hold. And you have yourself a simple updo hairstyle. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked today's video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. Bye.